welcome to the new season of my fan lessons. This time it's going to be somewhat intermediate level, so I hope you master well the previous basic tutorials. And today we're going to learn the most requested the most requested move of all times. It's Fontaine. And here is the spin Fontaine, like this, and an anti-spin Fontaine, like that. Let's start with the right hand. The right hand just goes with forward weave, like this. And on the other side, just does backward weave, like this. You can do, how to say, normal backward weave, but I advise you to use your thumb, like this. So go with the thumb like that. So forward weave, backward weave. And again here, maybe forward weave, backward weave. It's one turn on each side actually. The left hand, one turn here, so on the right side it does a turn, and then it does a turn on the thumb. This is the most tricky part of this move, to do this kind of turn. Once you learn that, you've learned the move, basically. So, and together they do this thing, and then they go there to let go first. Turn on the thumb, backward weave. So once again, left hand kind of begins, so it does its turn, and right hand kind of follows. So it goes like this: up, turn, weave, turn, weave. And from this point of view, the left hand begins, right follows. Once you understood the principle, you can learn the spin and anti-spin Fontaines. The spin means, the whole thing moves in the same direction as the fan, which means in this direction. So we begin at the top, and we don't do it statically here, but as we do this weave, we move our hands down, and here we move up, like this. We would go down and up, down and up. This is a spin Fontaine. And the anti-spin is more difficult because you need some initial momentum to actually make this whole thing move. But I mean, it's very simple too. So we begin at the bottom then. We start with the left hand again, but now we have to add this kind of a pulse to go up. So try to start, kind of with some force. So here we go up and down. It's a bit more difficult to keep the plane. As you can see, my plane is horrible. Anyway, I believe you will make it better. Here is some first-person view that perhaps might help someone. The left hand just does a simple turn, while the right hand does the weave around it. Okay? And on the other side, the left hand does a turn on the thumb, like this, whereas right hand does the backward weave like this. So together they go like this and like that. Spin and the backward weave and the thumb. Okay, and the anti-spin, that's something like this. It's rather difficult to spin with the camera on your head, that's what I must say. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and you may also want to check my main channel and the channel of my music. See you next time.